This is the regular Monstera, Monstera Deliciosa. So it's got these cool lobed leaves. These leaves, as they mature, these are immature leaves here with no fenestrations or holes and cuts and stuff in the leaf. So these are immature. As the plant matures, you're going to get these really, really big, deep lobes. You're going to get holes in the leaves. It's a very easy to grow plant. It will develop those aerial roots. So you can kind of see here, let me spin this around. Right here is a nice long, relatively long for this aerial root. And we just put this little, we have these little copper, it's kind of a plant stake that you can put in there and plants can grow on it. So those are always kind of fun too. So that's the regular Monstera. Again, I would say like medium light for that one. And it's another one that's pretty easy to grow, a favorite of houseplant collectors. There's some white varieties. I've got one here. It's got beautiful white marbling in the leaf. This one is called Thai Constellation. So this is actually part of my own collection. This is my little baby one. I have a much larger one, which is a Monstera Albo, which has big, beautiful white leaves. So if you come by the store, you can see that I have it on kind of on display here. It's not for sale, but it's a really cool one. It's probably got 20 plus leaves. It's actually in the background. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's in this little room behind me.